ready to ditch the vacancy sign and find your perfect tenant match. Let's jump right into listing your rental on Zillow. First, head over to Zillow.com and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll want to click on the Rent tab, usually found at the top of the page. Once you're on the Rent page, look for a button that says List a Rental or something similar. Click that to get started. Now, type in the address of your rental property. Zillow will likely auto-populate the address as you type, so select the correct one from the drop-down. Next, you'll fill out all the details about your property. This includes the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the square footage, and the type of property it is, like a house, apartment, or condo. Be as accurate as possible. Enter the monthly rent amount you're asking. Do some research on comparable properties in your area to ensure you're pricing it competitively. Select all the amenities that your rental offers. This could include things like a unit washer and dryer, a dishwasher, parking, or a balcony. Now, write a compelling description of your property. Highlight its best features, its location, and anything that makes it unique. This is your chance to really sell it. Upload high-quality photos of your rental. Good photos are essential for attracting potential tenants. Make sure the pictures are well-lit and show off the best features of each room. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate, and then click the Review and Publish button. And that's it. Your rental listing is now live on Zillow, ready for potential tenants to discover. Good luck finding the perfect renter.